The question is, can a mindset shift drive success? Visionaries like Elon Musk transform industries with bold ideas. In self-publishing with Amazon, changing your perspective can lead to similar success. Many authors struggle with visibility, growth, and turning their passion into profit. Today, we'll delve into the stories of 3 remarkable individuals who transformed their KDP careers by adopting unique mindsets and strategies. Meet Jane, the visionary. Jane was a high school teacher with a passion for historical fiction. Despite her passion for writing, Jane's books got lost among many others on KDP. She faced tough competition and struggled to gain visibility and sales. Jane had a mindset shift and decided to think like a CEO. Drawing inspiration from business leaders, she realized that just as CEOs have a vision and strategy, she needed one too. So Jane decided to study market trends, understanding what readers in her genre were looking for. Jane created a strong author brand, including a professional website and a consistent social media presence. Jane joined writing groups and attended webinars to connect with fellow authors and readers. Jane's focused efforts paid off. Her books started gaining traction, her author brand grew, and sales increased exponentially. The key takeaways from Jane's story is: conduct thorough market research to understand your audience. Build a consistent and professional author brand. Network with other authors and readers to build a community. That brings us to the story of Jack, the strategist. Jack, a former market executive, ventured into creating children's activity books. He had the skills but lacked the know-how and how to apply them on KDP. Despite his marketing background, Jack struggled with optimizing his book's listing and leveraging keywords effectively. So Jack decided to approach his KDP efforts like a Fortune 500 company launches a new product. Jack conducted keyword research using tools like Helium 10 to identify high traffic keywords. Then he crafted engaging book descriptions that captivated potential readers. Then Jack experimented with different covers and descriptions to see which combinations yielded the best results. By treating his books like products and continuously optimizing, Jack saw his sales skyrocket, standing out in a crowded marketplace. So the takeaway you can use from Jack's story is: use keyword research tools to identify effective keywords, write compelling and engaging book descriptions, experiment with different elements of your book listing to optimize for best results. And that brings us into the story of Lucy the artist. Lucy, a graphic designer, decided to self-publish her illustrated children's books. She had the creative skills but lacked marketing expertise. The challenge Lucy faced was getting her books the attention it deserved. She needed to learn how to market her unique creations effectively. So what Lucy done was to adopt the mindset of a successful musician, focuses on building a fan base and leveraging visual appeal. Lucy used her design skills to create eye-catching covers and promotional graphics. She actively engaged with her audience on platforms like Instagram, showcasing her illustrations and interacting with followers. Lucy partnered with influencers in the children's books niche to broaden her reach. And what ended up happening is that her visually appealing and interactive marketing strategies resonated with her audience, leading to a surge in book sales and a growing fan base. So the key takeaways for you to use is to invest in high quality visual elements for your book, engage with your audience on social media platforms, collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. If Jane, Jack and Lucy's stories has inspired you, my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP, offers concise, actionable strategies to boost your success. Click the link in the description. Moving on, I want you to think about how each of these 3 authors, Jane, Jack and Lucy, each adopted unique mindsets inspired by successful figures in various fields. By thinking like a CEO, a Fortune 500 company and a successful musician, each of them transformed their KDP careers. To elevate your KDP mindset and 10x your results, remember to conduct market research and build your brand. Optimize your book's listing and experiment with different strategies. Use visual appeal and engage with your audience actively. Take the leap and apply these strategies to your own KDP journey. Until next time.